The average indoor cat lives 13 to 17 years, while outdoor cats survive merely 2 to 5 years. This dramatic difference reveals a harsh truth about feline survival in the wild. Outdoor cats face constant threats that drastically reduce their lifespan. Vehicle strikes account for the leading cause of death, claiming thousands of cats annually. Predators, including coyotes, dogs, and birds of prey, pose continuous danger. Disease transmission runs rampant outdoors, with feline leukemia and immunodeficiency viruses spreading rapidly through cat populations. Weather extremes create additional hazards. Freezing temperatures, storms, and heat waves prove fatal for exposed animals. Parasites, toxic substances, and territorial fights further compromise outdoor cats' health and longevity. Indoor cats avoid these perils entirely. They receive regular veterinary care, consistent nutrition, and protection from environmental dangers. While indoor life may seem restrictive, the statistics speak volumes about safety versus freedom in determining feline lifespan.